Hello, loves. This is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to my home. In today's video, we are riding the curve spring wave, awaken our vibrancy with Shein. This is a Shein try-on clothing haul. We are kicking off this try-on haul with the Rustica plus size woman's asymmetrical shoulder tie strap casual sexy fitted blouse. I am loving this color, this taupey color. I love that it is off the shoulder, has the little tie off the shoulder. It is a beautiful and comfortable blouse that can be dressed up with a skirt or dressed down with slacks or even shorts. I have paired this blouse with a pair of white slacks and some sandals, and it is just perfect for a spring afternoon day. Moving right along to the next item, which is a Veslaya spring summer plus size woman's color block contrast print tie back adjustable sleeveless A-line dress. This dress comes in the color that you see, the red, and three other colors: orange, a pinkish tone, and a green tone. And look at this tie in the back of the dress. You could tie it in a bow. It is so cute. This dress flows, which I love. I love that it's sleeveless. Very comfortable to wear on a beautiful spring day. I've paired it with a little clutch and some red heels, ready to go out for a little brunch. The next item is a Veslaya plus size striped print spring summer casual dress. Now, when I tell you that this dress is comfortable, it is perfect for this time of year. Whether you are casually relaxing at home, stepping out to do a little shopping, even taking this dress on vacay, it is perfect. It has a V-line front, spaghetti straps on the shoulder, and check out these beautiful colors of white, black, like a tan and brown. So beautiful. And you don't need much to accessorize this dress. Grab your favorite handbag, your sandals, and you are out the door with very little effort. And for a cool spring morning, you can throw on a light jacket or a jean jacket, which will make it even cuter. Moving right along to the next outfit, which is a Muchica plus size woman's contrast striped side drop shoulder loose pullover hoodie and a wide leg sweatpants. It's a two-piece set. It's for casual sports style. I'm loving the stripe on the arms as well as the pants. The sweatshirt itself is round necked, long sleeve. It's very long, which I love. The pants itself has an elastic waist, and what I really love, it has pockets. It is so comfortable. Loving the pink color, and I've paired it with a sling purse and my Nikes. I am so comfortable and ready to head out the door again with very little effort and looking cute. The next item is for all of my church ladies. Easter is coming up, or you could just wear this to church. And it is this beautiful Shein Ladies Curve plus size, elegant, solid color, ruched blue dress for spring. It is so beautiful. This dress also comes in 4 colors. This dress gives you that modest feel, and you're still looking pretty. The long sleeves are so sheer and pretty. The ruching of this dress in the front is beautiful. Again, it flows. The draping around the waist to the hip is amazing. Again, this is perfect for church, or if you're going out with your girls, going to a tea or brunch. It is beautiful. Now, I think this next piece is my favorite piece, and it is the Veslaya Spring Summer new arrival at Shein V-neck 3/4 sleeve dress with slits sleeve. It is a plus size fit with bat wing sleeve. It comes in the black and beige zebra print and a brown and beige zebra print, which I think I'm going in to order. This maxi dress, or what we call a muumuu, is a leveled up muumuu. Loving this cover up, this animal print on it. It is everything. Now, of course, this can be worn in the house, but you can also dress this up. Put your cute hat on, some cute jewelry, a cute sandal, or some heels, and wear it out. It is that cute and that comfortable. And again, I am going to go in and order this in the brown and beige because I'm feeling this one. By the way, I've ordered each item in a 2X, which is a size 16. I am 5 feet 8 inches tall. Now the next item is beautiful as well, very comfortable, and is the Veslaya Spring Summer plus size white solid color shirt dress with a A-line hem, ruched fabric. It is so comfortable. It kind of reminds me of the dresses that I used to wear as a teeny bopper. Looking cute back in the day. So that's why I really wanted this. It is sleeveless, buttons all the way down the front. Love the collar. This dress flows. I must have had a flowing kick going on here because I was picking everything that pretty much flowed, which is perfect for this time of year. Pair it with a cute handbag, simple jewelry, and sandals, and you are good to go. That's what I love about Shein. It doesn't take much to dress things up or wear casually. The clothing is perfect. You can search and follow Veslaya, Shein Lady Curve, Muchica, Curve to catch all of the vibrant spring curvy trends. You can also stay inspired and don't miss out and use my code listed below for a special discount on your Curve Spring Wave favorites. All of these amazing fashions will be listed in my description box down below. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double click that bell so you'll be notified of all uploads here at Kimberly Davis, A Blessed Home. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok. And I have an Amazon store where you shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and so much more. All of those links will be listed in my description box below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much. And I'm truly thankful, I'm grateful, and blessed that you are a part of the blessed family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.